So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And today, you and I are gonna draw an animal. And this animal is an animal that cowboys and cowgirls love to ride. And they go, yee-haw! And it gallops. Yeah, a horse. And today, you and I are gonna draw a brown horse. So let's start with an oval right there, a rectangle for the neck, and then a big oval right there. Ooh, and some rectangles for the legs. Yeah! This is looking like a beautiful horse. And then let's draw the mane. Whoa, very nice. Can't forget about that ear. Ooh, and a smiley face. And the tail. Whee! Whoa! Horses are amazing and they love to run. Whoa! Now, does that look like a beautiful horse that you would love to ride? I know, me too! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!